Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Academy Mortgage account. Go to Chrome or Edge browser and go to google.com. Now what you need to do is go to the search bar and then search for Academy Mortgage. Tap on the first link which comes to your page. It will lead you to the page of Academy Mortgage. You can see the login to your account option over here. Click on the login to your account. It will redirect you to the Academy Mortgage page where you can log into your account very easily. What you need to do now is enter your email address, enter your password, and then click on sign in. There's also option of sign in with SSO, so you can click on it and you can sign in with your lender, partner or browser. Now if you don't have an Academy Mortgage account, you can register yourself and sign up for it as well by pressing on sign up. Enter your email address, press on continue, write down your city name, press continue again. Now, all you need to do is write down your first name, last name, mobile number, password and enter the confirm password again and press on continue. This way, you can create an account for yourself. It's quite easy process guys. Go to academymortgage.com or enter Academy Mortgage in Google, which will lead you to this page over here. Click on login to your account and then simply write down your email, password and sign in. And in case you have forgotten your password, there's an option to reset your password by clicking forgot your password. This way, it will ask for your email and after you write your email and press continue, Academy Mortgage will send you a verification mail which you will press and then you can reset your password very easily. This video was about how you can log into your Academy Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention it on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.